In Mandarin, the F word and grass have the same pronunciation, just different tone. You may have heard of it. Mandarin has 4 tones and the same pronunciation, different tone, means completely different things. A bowl of dumpling, 水饺一碗, and get laid for one night, 睡觉一晚. Exactly the same pronunciation, just different tone. 水饺一碗, 睡觉一晚. Can you even tell the difference? In fact, it's an old Chinese joke. A man with a very messed up accent. He comes into a restaurant. He tells the owner lady, "Lady, I want a bowl of dumpling from you. How much?" And the owner lady answers, "You think I'm prostitute?" What else have the same pronunciation, just different tone? Panda, 熊猫, and chest hair, 胸毛. Panda, 熊猫, chest hair, 胸毛. Don't mix them up. If you messed up the tone and tell your innocent Chinese friend, "Lee, show me some pandas." Listen, only Dr. Chen giving you this tip. When you first come to China, make sure you stay with your same sex. Limit your interaction with the opposite sex. Why? Because your beginner's Chinese will sexually harass people. And when that happens, your same gender will get a good laugh, and the opposite gender, they will get a good lawyer. Do male and female speak differently, like in Spanish? No. In Chinese, only 2 ways to speak. The normal way and the pervert way. And perverts go to jail. Here, I give you more examples of words with same or almost the same pronunciation, just different tone. So they sound almost the same, just different tone, 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 tone. By the way, tone, 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 tone respectively mean through, same, step, and pain in Chinese. Do you know John Cena loves learning Chinese? Whenever you can't see him, he's busy learning Chinese. And one more thing you may not know. In China, everyone makes fun of John Cena's Chinese name. John Cena directly translated his English name into Zhao Cena, which is a very girly name for a big man like him. What the situation? Basically, say, Chinese, my name is An Wu Li. Then I come to America. I hear this English name, Evelyn. Oh, Evelyn. An Wu Li. Evelyn. An Wu Li. Sounds similar. Okay, from now on, my American friends, you can call me Evelyn. You laughing? This is exactly what John Cena did with his Chinese name. And John Cena also messed up a lot of Chinese tones. One time in a WWE match, he said this to his opponent.
"You want the Chinese version? I'll give you that too. 我要金要带，我是冠军，我永远不放弃。"
Okay, I think he was trying to say, "I'm world champion, I never give up." But then someone on Chinese social media made fun of him, interpreted his Chinese as, "I'm in charge of bacteria, I'm music player." Why? Because that's really what he said with his tone.
我有来 Chinese，
这还一天，对，12人拍公司。
什么
12人拍公司。
私人安排公司？
Yes, private security.
私人安保公司。
私人安保公司。私人安保公司。
You speak English?
At this point, you may be thinking, "No, I can't, Mandarin too difficult." Listen, foreigners, don't worry, you can. The tones can be ignored. Why? Because it's a Chinese culture to welcome all guests with friendliness. And you as a foreigner already tried so hard to learn Mandarin. So, Chinese people should analyze what you're talking, even though you mess up your tones. Each person take a half step. That's a healthy relationship. But if you foreign Chinese learner study so hard, sacrifice so much, Chinese people just couch potato, do nothing, that's a toxic relationship. Date another language lah.